Welcome to Pickdigi, your go-to source for all things innovative and exciting. I'm Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you here. We understand the challenges and difficulties you face when it comes to finding the perfect air fryer. That's why today, we're diving into the top 5 game-changing air fryers that will take your cooking to new heights. In the video description, you'll find direct links to these incredible air fryers, making it easy for you to explore and purchase your favorite ones. Subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest content. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to leave a comment. We love hearing from you and appreciate your support. Let's embark on this mouth-watering journey together and transform your kitchen into a hub of culinary delight.
The Instant Pot 10 QD Air Fryer 7-in-1 is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines 7 functions in one device. It can air fry, roast, bake, broil, reheat, dehydrate, and toast, providing a wide range of cooking options. With its large 10-quart capacity, it's perfect for preparing meals for larger families or gatherings. The appliance utilizes advanced air frying technology, allowing you to achieve crispy and delicious results with minimal oil usage. It also features user-friendly controls and pre-programmed settings, making cooking convenient and consistent. On the positive side, the Instant Pot 10 QD Air Fryer offers versatility, allowing you to cook various dishes with a single appliance. The large capacity is great for cooking for larger groups, and the advanced air frying technology ensures healthier meals with less oil. The user-friendly controls make it easy to operate, and the pre-programmed settings add convenience. However, it's important to note that the larger size of the appliance may require additional counter space in your kitchen, so make sure you have enough room for it. In conclusion, the Instant Pot 10 QD Air Fryer 7-in-1 is a valuable addition to any kitchen. It provides versatility, convenience, and healthier cooking options with its multiple functions, large capacity, and advanced air frying technology. Just keep in mind the need for extra counter space. Overall, it's a great appliance for preparing delicious meals for your family and friends. The Ninja AF101 Air Fryer is a popular kitchen appliance known for its powerful air frying capabilities. It uses a rapid hot air circulation system to cook food with little to no oil, resulting in healthier and crispy meals. Its compact size makes it suitable for small kitchens or limited countertop space. One of the advantages of the Ninja AF101 Air Fryer is its user-friendly controls and pre-programmed settings. The easy-to-use interface simplifies the cooking process, allowing you to achieve consistent results with various types of food. However, it's important to consider a few potential drawbacks. The Ninja AF101 Air Fryer has a limited capacity, which may not be suitable for larger families or those who frequently cook larger portions. Additionally, some users have reported durability concerns with the non-stick coating of the cooking basket. In conclusion, the Ninja AF101 Air Fryer offers powerful air frying capabilities in a compact size. Its ability to cook food with little to no oil makes it a healthier alternative to traditional frying methods. The user-friendly controls add convenience to the cooking process. However, its limited capacity and potential durability issues with the non-stick coating should be taken into account before making a purchase decision. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines the functions of an oven and an air fryer. It offers a wide range of cooking functions, including air frying, baking, toasting, and roasting. This multifunctionality eliminates the need for multiple appliances, saving space and providing convenience in the kitchen. One of the standout features of the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer is its spacious capacity. With its large interior, it can accommodate larger dishes, making it ideal for families or those who enjoy cooking for gatherings. You can easily prepare larger meals, such as a whole chicken or a 13-inch pizza, in one go, saving time and effort. The Smart Element IQ system is another notable feature of this appliance. It ensures precise and even heat distribution, resulting in consistent cooking results. The oven automatically adjusts the heating elements to optimize performance, delivering delicious meals every time. However, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. The larger size of the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer may require more counter space compared to smaller air fryers or toaster ovens. It's important to consider the available space in your kitchen before purchasing. Additionally, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer comes with a higher price tag compared to some other air fryers on the market. While it offers excellent performance and versatility, it may not fit everyone's budget. In conclusion, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer provides convenience and versatility with its range of cooking functions. Its spacious capacity and precise cooking capabilities make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. However, its larger size and higher price point may be factors to consider, depending on your kitchen space and budget. Overall, if you're looking for a multifunctional appliance that can handle a variety of cooking tasks, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer is worth considering. The COSORI Air Fryer Pro LE is a high-quality kitchen appliance known for its air frying capabilities. With its advanced features and sleek design, it offers a convenient and healthier way to cook a variety of dishes. The Air Fryer Pro LE combines rapid air circulation technology with a wide temperature range to crisp and cook food evenly. It has a spacious cooking capacity that can accommodate meals for small to medium-sized families. One of the advantages of the COSORI Air Fryer Pro LE is its user-friendly interface with a digital touchscreen display. It offers a variety of preset cooking programs for different types of food, making it easy to achieve consistent results. The non-stick cooking basket is also dishwasher safe, simplifying the cleaning process. However, it's worth noting that the COSORI Air Fryer Pro LE may take up some counter space due to its size. Additionally, some users have reported issues with the durability of the non-stick coating over time. In conclusion, the COSORI Air Fryer Pro LE is a reliable and efficient air fryer that offers convenience and healthier cooking options. Its advanced features, user-friendly interface, and spacious capacity make it suitable for small to medium-sized families. However, the size and potential durability concerns should be considered before making a purchase. Overall, it is a valuable kitchen appliance for those looking to enjoy crispy and delicious meals without the need for excessive oil. The Instant Vortex Plus 6 QD XL Air Fryer is a powerful and versatile kitchen appliance that brings efficient air frying capabilities to your home. With its spacious 6-quart capacity, it can easily accommodate meals for small to medium-sized families. Using rapid air circulation technology, it evenly cooks and crisps food with little to no oil, resulting in healthier and delicious meals. The appliance features user-friendly digital controls and a variety of preset functions, making cooking a breeze. On the positive side, the Instant Vortex Plus 6 QD XL Air Fryer offers ample space for cooking larger portions. Its efficient air frying technology ensures healthier meals without compromising on taste. The user-friendly controls and preset functions provide convenience and simplicity in the kitchen. However, it's worth considering that the larger footprint of the XL size may not be suitable for kitchens with limited space. In conclusion, the Instant Vortex Plus 6 QD XL Air Fryer is a valuable addition to any kitchen. It provides efficient air frying capabilities, allowing you to enjoy healthier and delicious meals. Despite its larger size, it offers convenience and simplicity in cooking. Overall, it's a great appliance for those looking to enjoy the benefits of air frying in their daily cooking routine.
Thank you for joining us on this video exploring the top 5 air fryers. We hope you found it both informative and enjoyable. Your support and engagement mean the world to us. If you found value in the content we provided today, we kindly ask you to show your support by leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay updated with our latest videos and won't miss out on any exciting content we have in store. Help us spread the word about the best air fryers by sharing this video with your friends and loved ones. We believe everyone can benefit from the information and recommendations we've shared. Your feedback is incredibly valuable to us. Please take a moment to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. We appreciate your input and will use it to continue improving and delivering even better content in the future. Once again,